If you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case you want to open Settings. Now once you go to Settings on your phone, then over here we want to scroll down, and then you want to proceed to General Management. Here we want to go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and you should be able to, for example, go to Theme over here in this place. Unfortunately, we don't have many themes to choose from. We just have light and dark, and also solid options for both of them, which pretty much toggles those keyboarders over here. And that is all that we have available. However, besides that, you can also use the high contrast keyboard, which also allows you to apply different colors. So we have 4 options in here, in addition to those basic themes that we just saw previously. Now, in case you are not really satisfied with these themes and different colors, what you can do is you can install a different keyboard on your Galaxy A27, a keyboard that allows you to have more customization options. So what we can do is we can go to the Play Store, and you can just simply search for keyboard. You can type keyboard, and of course you should be able to find a bunch of different keyboards. However, in my case, I'm gonna specifically use Gboard, or Google Keyboard. This is the name of Google's keyboard over here, as you can see. And I'm gonna install it. This is pretty much the standard keyboard for most of the Android smartphones. Pretty much Samsung Galaxy is the only exception out of those most popular options. And once we have the keyboard installed, of course we need to open it, and we will have to set it up to be the default keyboard. So let's turn it on. Let's enable it in Settings. So here we have Gboard. Let's turn it on, press OK. Then we can go back. And then we need to select the input method. So let's tap on this button, and we can switch from Samsung Keyboard to Gboard over here, and we are ready to go. So let's tap on Done. And usually right after that, you will open settings of that Gboard. So we can go to Theme over here, and as you can see now, immediately we have much more options to choose from. Let's say I can pick this blue gradient over here, or we can pick this pink one over here. It looks beautiful. I think it matches my my smartphone over here. We can also toggle keyboarders if you want to, and we can tap on Apply. Besides that, we can create a completely custom theme by using this plus button over here. You can choose a picture from your gallery, and then that picture is going to be used as a background for your keyboard. So there we go. This is how it looks like. We can adjust the brightness, tap on Done, and then we can use this keyboard. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.